8 benefits of almond milk. Almond milk has a large number of nutrients that will undoubtedly provide great benefits to your health. Are you trying to be super healthy? Almond milk is a must for your well-being and also for your daily diet. It does not contain lactose, it is rich in antioxidants and essential mineral salts, such as potassium and calcium, perfect for your bones. It is no coincidence that almond oil is a beauty elixir for all the great benefits it offers, since almond milk also has many advantages that will surprise you. Why is it good to take almond milk? Due to its low cholesterol content and high content of vitamins, almond milk is the ideal substitute for whole cow's milk. It even has fewer calories than soy milk. It is excellent for weight loss. But this is not the only plus it offers. That is why we tell you why you should include it in your diet from now on. 2. Helps you lose weight. We start with the benefits that we had already mentioned. You should choose the one that does not contain sugar and drink 2 glasses a day without fear of gaining weight. You can also mix it with fruits to make a smoothie that takes away your hunger in a very healthy way, since this type of milk contains vitamins E, D, and A, protein, omega-6, zinc, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. An ultra-healthy boost. 3. Radiant skin. Almond milk has vitamin E and vitamin B2, these are essential to prevent premature aging and dehydration in the skin. Also, it helps eliminate acne and pimples. 4. Helps lower cholesterol. This drink is one of the best plant milk that exists, which makes it a great ally to lower the levels of harmful cholesterol in the blood. It contains a high percentage of fiber, which is why it is known as healthy milk. 5. Stronger bones. Another benefit of almond milk is that it helps to strengthen bones and teeth thanks to the fact that it is rich in calcium. 6. Goodbye stomach pains. According to experts, people who suffer from gastritis or stomach problems improve their condition if they include almond milk in their diet, as it is an excellent medicine to regulate gastrointestinal functions. 7. Digestion to 100. If you suffer from digestive problems, choose to drink almond milk. It will help you regulate intestinal functions as it is highly digestible. If you are one of those lactose intolerant people, this drink is a great option for you. 8. Replaces mineral salts. If you suffer from diarrhea or vomiting and your potassium levels decrease, almond milk will help you recover by giving you those mineral salts that you lost during the discomfort. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and also press the bell, follow icon to get notified each time upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.